Is it going? Hi. My name is Rose. I'm back with another video. I want to show you something cool I can do. You ready? Okay, let me just... Hello there, my name is River. I am Rose's other personality. His true personality, actually. Hey, River? Hey, Rose, do you know where... River? Oh, darling. Hello there. It's good to see you again. What you were saying? What were you saying, dear? Speechless. Adorable. Well, I guess I should turn back now. Shh. Uh. Well, that was what I wanted to show you. Enjoy. I hope you liked it. Bye.